Hello and welcome back to LeEdFollow. Now, anybody that regularly watches our channels will undoubtedly have seen a lot of our product reviews. Now, we don't get sponsored or paid by these companies to review their products, but when we see a product that we really like, we want to do a video on it and recommend it for you guys at home. And today I want to talk about the awesome Gearless Ratchets from Roamwild. Now, I only found out about these the other day. My friend Charlie, in the last video with his GR86, he sent me a link to these and I was like, wow, these are amazing. Now, unlike normal ratchets that use gears and they click every time you turn them, these ratchets are gearless. Now, you might be thinking, well, what do I care how they work? Well, it all comes down to when you're working in a very confined space. If you've ever been doing a job in a confined space, like right at the back of your engine bay, then you'll probably have experienced a time where you're trying to move a ratchet around, but because of the lack of space, you can only move it a little bit and then it comes into contact with parts of the body or the engine or something. Now, the problem with that is if you can't move it enough to actually get it to engage the neck tooth and click, it will not actually turn around and remove a bolt or a nut. But the great thing about these gearless ratchets is that they don't have any gears, so you don't have to move them around till they click. They will literally just incrementally turn in a very tight space forever. And as you can hear, no clicking whatsoever. Now, on this actual demo packaging that they come in, you'll see that there is actually a reduced space in here to prove the concept. And if you look at this little arrow that they put on the packaging as well, what you'll notice is as I'm turning the ratchet, no clicking and the arrow is moving. So this just demonstrates how they can work in really confined spaces because they don't have any gears. Now, the only drawback of these ratchets are that they are quite expensive. Now, I bought these on Amazon, link in the description below, and they are both $29.99 each, which is quite a lot for a ratchet. However, given the way they work and what they can do, I just went ahead and bought them. I thought they were going to be essential for the future. There is almost certainly going to be a moment when I'm trying to undo something or tighten something back up where I've got very limited space and a normal ratchet will just not cut it. So, thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.